Supports fast charging. Enhanced braided nylon exterior. USB-IF certified. Tested to withstand 10,000 plus bends. Compatible phone models, Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Connector type, USB Type-C. Get a fast charge up to 50% in around 36 minutes with strong braided USB-C to USB-C cables that are built to last. Use them at home, in your car, or anywhere you need to sync music, photos, or data and charge your devices. Tested to survive 10,000 plus bends, and made with double braided nylon, these USB-C fast charge cables stand up to the most rigorous daily use so you don't have to keep replacing them. And with a braided nylon exterior, they've got the sturdiness to withstand just about anything. They're also USB-AF certified to make sure you'll always have a superior experience. Top review from the United States. Charges fast. Using for my phone, Samsung S70. It's charging fast. Quality is good.